Hi, it's Dov again, and today I want to talk to you about the ideas behind the Meeting Spicer. Last time I introduced how you set up the Meeting Spicer, and I gave some examples, but I didn't talk at all about the problem behind it, the problem it tries to solve. About 2 years ago, I worked in a company who put as a target to solve a problem that they had, and the problem was that meetings were horrible, that meetings were too long, that people ran from meeting to meeting, and basically that meetings had no real impact. And I worked with the HR department on some ideas, and then suddenly one day, I remember this distinctly, on the train I got a vision of exactly what I need to help meetings become better in that company, and not only there. And the thing is that everyone in that company, and everyone I'm sure at your company, knows how to make meetings better. They know what practices are good, that they know when a meeting doesn't work well, only they don't speak up. And the reason they don't speak up is that everyone knows bits here and there as individuals, but no one knows this as a team. So imagine you would take a meeting and you would sit the coach in the corner and you would ask the coach not to interfere too much, but just from time to time when he sees that the meeting is running astray, is not doing that well, give a small nudge in the right direction. And that's exactly what the Meeting Spicer wanted to do. So the Meeting Spicer is based on the idea that if you make something, an activity which is fun, which is non-intrusive, which doesn't take a lot of time, and which helps everyone to act together, and you try out small ideas on a regular basis, and every time you change the idea, probably people will have a buy-in and they will get into an adventurous mode. That's the idea behind. So again, I remind you, as you saw last video, it's very simple. In the beginning of a meeting, you pick one card. Let's take one green card, and again I'll pick this at random. Let's see what happens. So, tuck. Let's say this one. Okay. And this one says, try this. Globetrotter hello. Can you all say hello in any language you want, different from the other participants? So you say this in the meeting. I see there's something on the other side, but I'll get to that in a second. You try this during the meeting, and it starts the meeting in a hello mood. Everyone starts in a hello mood, and it's a very easy exercise. Or the other one is the Emmanuel Macron card, the Regis's idea, because of the French culture. State this meeting's goal, ending by shouting out loud and with energy, because this is our project. So we would like to understand how to eliminate bugs in the product, because this is our project. Or let's say something else. This one. Answer aloud. Can everyone see the board? Can everyone see each other? Can everyone hear each other? And we have tons of advice like this to start a meeting. And at the end of the meeting, it's the same thing. Like we have the red cards. Where are the cards? Red cards. Here they are. So you pick from the red cards. Someone picks one single card, only one card, and says, for example, this one. Ask everyone to think silently for 20 seconds. Was someone missing in the meeting? Did we need someone to make it better? Were they invited? And why aren't they here? So everyone now at the end of the meeting is silent for 20 seconds and thinks about this question. And even if the answer is no, the question gets embedded inside the mind of the team. And next time when someone starts a meeting, their awareness that perhaps the meeting is missing someone, or when they invite someone for a meeting, this awareness will be a little bit higher. And there's again a lot of cards, red cards like this, like here. For example, ask someone to answer aloud. If we achieved just a single thing today, what is it? So I know what I achieved today. I managed to explain to you, I hope, how the meeting spicer achieved the goal. What is the goal that it's trying to achieve and how it achieves it. As I said in the video I sent before, there's tons of other functionality, but the basic one is this. The basic one is, let's invite everyone to 2 half-minute ceremonies, one at the beginning of the meeting, one at the end of the meeting, and let's try something together as a team that will not pose a threat to anyone. At least that's how we try to write the cards. Will challenge us a little bit. If we don't like it, we probably won't do it next time. But if we like it, then it's our win. Take care. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.